You are going to love the 2021 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, mini spare tire, wheel covers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.